Yeah. So today we're doing a video where Mocha gets to react to sounds on our Alexa.
Credit to
Tucker Buxton
for this cool thing that they did. So go check them out. So here we go.
Okay. Alexa, open Laugh Box.
Okay, here's Laugh Box.
Okay, so we're gonna see what Mocha reacts to her own sound that she makes. So it's a bark, so yeah. Alexa, what sound does a dog make?
Okay, here's Jurassic Bark.
What's that? What's that?
There's gonna be two more sounds after this. The sound we're gonna do right now is what sound does a polar bear make? Alexa, what sound does a polar bear make?
Okay, here's sound effects. Here's a polar bear growl.
What's that?
So it looks like she's kind of scared now. Okay, now we're probably gonna end it here. So thank you guys for watching.